Alright, thank you very much, Nathan, for that interesting speech on first-hand smoke. And now we will be moving on to second-hand smoke. So, has anyone ever been exposed to second-hand smoke? So, what is it exactly though? Well, according to the textbook, secondhand smoke is smoke that is inhaled involuntarily from tobacco being smoked by others. It is 10 times more deadly than inhaling a cigarette or even a cigar for that matter. Secondhand smoke is divided into two subcategories. Our first one is side stream, which is smoke that is emitted from the cigarette itself. And the second one is mainstream, which is smoke that is exhaled from the smoker. Another question is, what is in secondhand smoke, you ask? Well, it is estimated that there are over 7,000 chemicals in secondhand smoke. 69 of them are known to cause cancer. Several of them include arsenic, benzene, beryllium, cadmium, chromium, ethylene oxide, nickel, polonium-210, and vinyl chloride, which are amongst the deadliest to inhale. There are a lot more of them, but for time constraints, we can't list them all. And there are 3 chemicals that are suspected to give you cancer when inhaled, which are formaldehyde, benzopyrene, and toluene. This image I have right here is a diffusion MRI, and as we can see from the left one, it is a subject with low exposure to secondhand cigarette smoke. This middle one right here is a subject with a rather high exposure to secondhand cigarette smoke. And this one on the right here is a smoker's lungs. Now, secondhand smoke can have even more serious consequences for your children. How, you ask? Let's take a look. Some symptoms include ear infections. I've had those as a kid. If your child has asthma attacks or asthma, the asthma attacks they have are a lot more frequent and they can be a lot more severe, especially indoors. Some respiratory symptoms include coughing, sneezing, and shortness of breath, and respiratory infections include bronchitis and pneumonia. It's some pretty serious stuff. And infants are at an even greater risk because they can suffer from sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS for short. It is estimated that there are 150 to 300,000 new cases each year in children younger than that of 18 months. And also, there are approximately 7,500 to 15,000 infants who are hospitalized on an annual basis because of secondhand smoke. So, the next time, if you are a smoker and you decide to light one up, make sure that there's nobody downwind of you. Be courteous of, well, anybody around you who can be extremely allergic to not only secondhand smoke, but for any sort of smoke for that matter. Alright, that is the end of my presentation. Thank y'all so much. And now I'd like to present Autumn LaVere with our conclusion.